Okay, today I play eating simulator. Okay. Hey, yo, he just said I like black fish. Okay. Yo, bro, you just eat one cream. Yo, bro, like cheese, man. Bro, like cheese. Hey, just. Hey, yo. Bro, what the? Bruh. Yo, Grandma is literally wiggling right now. Look, Grandma's wiggling. Yo, bro, eat healthy, bruh. Eat healthy. That's why you eat carrot, bruh. That's why you're rabbit. Hey, yo. Bro, I can't feed up carrots, bruh. I can't feed up carrots. But it's very heavy. The carrot's very heavy, bruh. Yo. Yo, this is the first time eating French fry. Oh, shoot! Dude, what did I do, man? What did I do? You just ate one fry, bro. I just fly flies? What? Eat the flies. Eat the flies. Eat the flies. Eat flies. Nice! Yo, bro. Go. Hey, yo, why is she eating like that? Yo, you like worms? You like worms? You're not even eating it, just pooping it out. Oh my god! Oh, photo. Ayo. Eat. Yep, that's what I thought, man. That's what I thought. I like potion. What? You like potion? Drink potion. Go drink. Go and drink. Eat the potion, bro. Eat the potion. Eat the potion, bro. Eat the potion. Potion is healthy, okay? Okay, but this is a cheat day. Dude, the cheat day is very weird, bro. Dude, the donut is very heavy. I can't even lift it. No! Dude, why the cheat day is very heavy, bro? Dude, it's very hard, bro. It's very hard. Why is it hard? Yep. Your cheat day is very heavy, bro. Eat cake. Eat strawberry cake. Not strawberry, but just... Okay. Goodbye.